Hi everyone, welcome to Johnson's Corner. A while back I made a couple of vintage style toolboxes. I used one to hold my horse grooming supplies, and I thought it would be cool to customize it with pictures of my horse Dakota. So I decided to try a photo transfer using an inkjet printer. I don't have any shipping label paper, so I'm trying an experiment with packing tape. I cover one side of regular printer paper with the packing tape. I'm hoping this glossy surface will be the same as the glossy surface on shipping label paper. The glossy side is the one you want to print on. You also want to make sure that you cut off any of the excess tape, as that will definitely be a problem in the printer. In your printer program, you need to reverse your photo setting. Or your picture will come out backwards. Here I chose to do 2 photos on one sheet at 5 by 7 inches. And you put it on face down, and you try to rub all the areas equally, pressing down and definitely not moving the paper. I actually taped it at the top to keep it from sliding. Now comes the moment of truth. I'm pretty happy with that. I wanted a kind of rustic look, and I think it accomplished that pretty well. The transfer will pick up any dings or marks that are in the wood, and that's what I was kind of hoping it would do. I'm pretty happy with the results for the first time of trying this. Well, thanks for watching, everyone. See you next time. And if you have any pointers, leave them in the comments.